Hi guys, good morning. Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome today to my Ministry of Freedom review. Okay, I'm doing this review today because it's been a little bit over 2 months since I joined Ministry of Freedom, and I want to tell you my personal experience to all of you guys that may be in a doubt of if it's real, if it works, if it doesn't, if it is a scam. So I will show you my own experience from a current member and help you take a decision, okay? Okay guys, so first of all, this is the Ministry of Freedom dashboard. I'm going to show you, this is myself here. Let me go to my settings so you see my name here. Okay, you see Carlos Valenzuela and my email here. Okay, so here you have everything you need to learn. It's divided in 9 weeks, so it's a long course, okay? And you have everything covering since the mindset at the beginning, the tools you need, how to launch jack, everything, okay? Even how to release your own product and how to do the paid traffic, okay? I haven't been through this yet though, I have to recognize it. Okay, so as you can see, it's a long course. It is a 3-month course, okay? And you have a lot to work, a lot to do, a lot of homework. It's a little bit intense, but I have to recognize, guys, for example, I have a 6-hour daily shift. That's why I wake up early in the morning. Right now it is 7:50 in the morning. And I normally do my reviews in the morning because then I go to working and I do the editing in the afternoon, or I do other things in the afternoon. But yeah, it's totally compatible with a work. And also if you are not working and you want to dedicate this full time, even better, because you have plenty time to go with Khan through all the different modules inside, okay? Let me show you a little bit inside. Let me show you how the support works, because you have the best support I've ever seen. And let me show you a sample of a video. Alright guys, so here you have the support bubble. Hi Carlos, here you have people always 24 hours a day, okay? Because as we are members from all over the world, there is no an office time here. This works 24 hours, okay? So we all can reach them anytime we want, except Saturdays and Sundays that they have the day off, okay? Then let me show you a little bit of the course introductions to make you an idea. So you see, edition is fantastic, the quality is really good, and the content is even better. And this is our host, Jono Armstrong. He's the one that's going to guide us through this whole journey. Well, I have to tell you guys, I have to recognize that I wasn't sure about joining. It's something I really wanted. I thought about too long because it's a big investment. It's almost $1,500, okay? But you will recover it soon. I haven't recovered it in full yet, but in this a bit over 2 months that I've been here, I have made like $1,300, okay? And I'm gonna show you proof of that right now. A lot of people have done much more, especially because they have gone through the paid traffic modules, but I haven't reached there yet. Some people you can start immediately with that, but I wanted to go through the organic system first because I didn't have much more money to invest after I bought this course. Another thing very important, guys, is to tell you that the best is to pay it in full, okay? You have also the option of make 2 installments, but it's going to end up being a bit more expensive and you won't be able to join the rotators, okay? If you pay in full, you can pay with your credit card. For example, I paid it in like 6 months, okay? And it's better because you can join rotators. So what is rotators? Rotator is that Jono once a week gives you your affiliate link, I mean my affiliate link. He puts it inside his campaigns. He does his campaigns and he puts the affiliate link of all the members that did the homework for that week. Okay, the homework is to do the review video for that product and blah, blah, blah. You will learn more about that inside. But inside this campaign, he puts our links, and then if you make some sales, you get the money, okay? And I'm gonna show you proof of that as well. I have to recognize that not in all the rotators I make money, but there was one specifically, one that I did like $250, okay? And it wasn't my sales, those were Jono sales that was driven to me, okay? So that is awesome. Okay, so here guys is my inbox from those days, you see? Income here, 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 here. If we scroll down more here, no, this was another cell. This is not a rotator, but if I keep scrolling down, this is from the rotator. More, 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 more. Here more, 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 more. You can see the dates on the side, okay? And I think I have another page here. But anyway, just to let you know how rotator works. Another good thing of Ministry of Freedom is that you are going to get almost 100% guarantee approval to promote the products you need to promote, okay? Because otherwise, when you start affiliate marketing, and I have to be honest, I tried to start by myself first, but I wasn't approved. And why? Because I don't have a sales history, so the guys won't approve you. But with jono, they guarantee you approval, and if you are not approved, they will do their best to get approved. And in case you're not approved for one product, you can move over to the other one. You have every day maybe 5 or 6 products you can promote, okay? The other good thing is that you get review access, okay? When I tried to start it by myself, and if I got approved by someone, sometimes this vendor didn't give me review access because, again, I didn't have a sales history, okay? But here you get inside the Facebook group, which is like our workspace, okay? You have different guides with everything you need, you know, the JV documents, the review access. And with the review access, you are able to do the review for YouTube, okay? And try the software or whatever it is for yourself. This is very cool. Let me go through the Facebook group to show you a little bit. Alright guys, so here we're inside the Facebook group. As you can see, it's a private group. Only if you join this course, you are going to be able to join this. You have plenty administrators. I don't know how many. There are many. You always get the best support. You see here they have I was actually looking forward for them to post this because I'm joining this rotator buyer traffic hijack, okay, this week. Here everybody is able to post their own post, and you get plenty comments for the other ones helping you, and also the administrators. You also have this guide part here. In the guides, okay, here you have plenty information. You have the replays of the Q&A webinars. Every week you have Q&As. You have the rotators information, who is eligible, who's not. The rotator week updates. You have the coming launches. This is what I was telling you. Let me show you very quick. Here you get all the information about the products and review accesses, okay? You also have here the income screenshots from people that had made some money. Okay, here income screenshots, people, you see 562 comments. I haven't posted anything here, but if you make some money, you can post. Okay, you can see here this guy. You can post your incomes here. Some people make more, some people make less. It depends on you. Now I want to give you proof of my incomes. So first of all, I'm going to show you my inbox in my Gmail, okay, to see how it looks like. And then I'm going to go very quick through my JVSU and my Warrior Plus account. I have to recognize that I like better JVSU, and I promote more products of JVSU, so I have more money inside JVSU than Warrior Plus. But most of the members do it the other way around. They like better Warrior Plus. I don't know why, but that's something personal, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my Gmail account. You can, yesterday, you see this is today it is the 26th of April, 8 a.m. This is yesterday at 25th of April in the afternoon. I made this money, almost $40. Then I have more incomes here. You see another one here, another one here, more here, more here. And this, I'm not making them up. You will see I have them now inside my affiliate dashboard. This is from when I started. I put here the date. This is JVSU. I'm gonna refresh this so you know this is not a screenshot. Okay, there we go. I'm logging. Here you see my name. Okay, and this is how much I made since I started. $830.40. $830.40. This is on JVSU. And I'm going to show you what you just saw here. For example, here you see the sales from 2 days ago. With crypto, I made here almost $60. Okay, you can see the date here, 23rd of April. I'm going to show you inside JVSU. Here you go, 23rd of April, the same sales, okay? Almost the $60. And here, if you hover over this watch, it's going to tell you transaction commissions available to be paid on the 15th of May. Okay, so here is all my pending commission. When are they to be paid, okay? This is a payment I did myself. You see on the 7th of April, I sent to my account $142. On the 1st, I sent another $72 to my, I have my payment through PayPal. And here is my Warrior Plus. Right now I have a balance of $43 and $88 pending. You can see here also, if you hover, this is going to be available in 20 days, for example, this in 17 days, this is in 11 days, and so on. Here you can see my withdrawals through PayPal. Here 200 I sent on the 17th of March. I've sent another 46 here, the 24th of March, the 1st of April, 51, and so on and so forward. Here's also my information just to show you that I'm not, let me go to my account to show you that this is not a screenshot, it's live, okay? So here I can go to my profile. All right, so this is not a screenshot. Well, and that has been my journey during this almost 2.5 months with Ministry of Freedom. I'm gonna leave you 3 links down below in my description in case you want to get some more information about Ministry of Freedom, okay? But before doing so, I want to tell you that if you decide to join MOF via my link, I'm gonna give you an awesome bonus, and that is all my bonus collection that I have gathered during these 2.5 months. During this time, I have put together all the bonuses that I've been collecting in a Google document that I'm going to show you right now, okay? And that's the one I'm going to give you if you decide to join MOF via my link. All right, guys, so here I have this Google document with, you can see, 19 pages of bonuses. You have here have like an index, but it's not very well done. But I have WordPress plugins, I have social media bonuses, programs. Some of them are programs, some of them are applications, some of them are video trainings. I have also PDF ebooks here. I have as well a bonus here, which is 35 bonus to use in your promos. This is a members area that you get to this place here. Okay, it's a bonus vault. You make an account here with password and username and password, and you can access all these bonuses. Here you have 40 bonuses to use. Okay, plus also at the end here I have another one where I have again over 40 bonuses to use. Okay, all these bonuses are going to be yours if you decide to buy through my link. All right, guys, sorry if the image was blurred. I did that on purpose because, of course, you will understand that I have the links, the download links over there, and if I don't do so, everybody that watched this video will be able to download those bonuses, and I hope you understand, but that is not possible, okay? It would be unfair, okay? I hope you understand me. Okay, so if you'd like to get more info about Ministry of Freedom, I'm gonna leave you, like I said, 3 links down below in my description here. The first one is to the sales page, where you can see all the bonuses and everything that is included inside MOF, okay? Its price, the way you can pay, etc., etc., everything, okay? The other one is the access to the webinar replay from Jono Armstrong. In this webinar, you will learn a lot of what is about Ministry of Freedom. Well, I already told you, but if you want to have more information from the direct source, you can watch this webinar replay, okay? And the third one is the link to my personal bonus page, okay? To be honest, you won't find much information inside my personal bonus page because I wanted to give you all the information here, live in this review, okay? But you can find also the bonuses I'm giving you there, okay? And also the links to access the webinar replay again and the sales page. Also, and most important, is that inside my bonus page, you're gonna find my WhatsApp bubble where you can reach me directly to my mobile phone, okay? Okay, you can click on the bubble, send me a message direct to my phone, and if you want, we can schedule a call or whatever you want if you have questions or any doubts that you would like to discuss in person with me. No problem with that, okay? Alright guys, so that's my review. I hope you like it, but more than that, I hope you find it useful and that it can help you to take a smart and a right decision, okay? If you have any questions, remember, you can send me a WhatsApp direct to me, or you can also leave a comment down below this video, okay? If you like this video and it really helped you to take a decision whether it is to join Ministry of Freedom or not to join, okay, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down, no problem. That way I know that I can do it better for next time. Also, if you consider it properly and you can subscribe to my channel, I would highly appreciate it, okay? Thank you very much for staying all the way to the end with me. I wish you a great week and take care, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.